Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, April 22nd. My name is Stephen Van Horn. Overview: tonight will be cold. Tuesday, a weak system, slight chance for some showers. Wednesday through Friday, we will see a warm up in those temperatures. For the weekend, and a return of unsettled weather with cooler temperatures expected. Then by next week, still looks a bit uncertain, but it looks like we'll be going to a more progressive pattern with a series of weather systems in between, with some dry periods in between. Our satellite overview for Monday: we see some cloud cover streaming northward over the eastern Pacific and some more cloud cover over the central portion of the United States. The jet stream here is shown with this green arrow. To our east, we have a low pressure trough with some cooler and wetter conditions. To our west, this high pressure ridge has some warmer and drier conditions. We are located right in between these two weather systems, and we have generally been on the cooler, more unstable side of the jet stream. But as we go into next week, or into this week, this warmer, drier portion will be sliding to our east. To our north in northern British Columbia, there's a weak system that's expected to impact us for Tuesday. Here's our low temperatures for tonight. Widespread low temperatures near freezing or below freezing are expected. The Wenatchee area, Moses Lake area, and the Lewiston, Clarkston Valley, these areas will be going into what we consider the start of the growing season tomorrow. Therefore, we have issued a freeze warning for the Moses Lake area, the lower areas of Garfield and Spokane counties, and the Lewiston area. Temperatures are expected to be near or below freezing for these areas. I just wanted to highlight our detailed hazards tab. You can find this on our home page, and it's located here on the right hand side in this beige shading. This would be nice for a freeze warning because it will show you what areas. If you click on it, it'll bring up a map, a Google based map. It'll show you exactly what areas we have the warning out for. So even though the entire zone will be highlighted, if you click on this detailed hazards map, you will notice that there are some areas that are not expected to quite get down to freezing and are not considered under the freeze warning. So this is nice for our highlights because it'll give you a bit more detail. Our 7-day forecast for Spokane on the left and Lewiston on the right. The red line is our high temperature forecast, the blue line is our low temperature forecast. The dashed lines are how these forecasts compare to normal. You can see that we're expecting an increase in our temperatures above normal by Thursday and Friday to the mid 60s or upper 60s. Our coldest temperatures is going to be tonight, and then those lows are also going to be increasing through the week. Then as we go into the weekend, temperatures are going to decrease as high pressure in the Eastern Pacific starts to break down and allows some more weather systems to impact the region. This is just to show that we do have snow in the mountains still, and quite a few of these mountains actually are above normal for snow depths, including a lot of these mountains toward North British Columbia and the mountains in the Cascades. What will this mean? Well, as we get these warmer temperatures this week, we are expecting a slight rise to many of the rivers across the region. These are just two examples that I picked out here. Okanagan River near Tasca on the left, the Moy River Eastport on the right. We're only expecting temperatures to increase to about 5 or 10 degrees above average by Friday. So this will be enough to give us a little bit of snowmelt, but it doesn't really look like it's going to be much of a concern. We're not expecting flooding to occur. In fact, it'll probably be a good thing as we get these little spurts of warm periods to start to melt some of that snow off the mountains. We will see a potential for some rainfall this weekend, which could add to these rises, but as of right now, it does not look like it will be overly wet, and again, we're not expecting a huge concern for flooding for our rivers.
Ready to go?
The early season boater information press release can be found on our homepage if you click the link under our top news of the day. This is just the very beginning portion of this news release, and it just wants to remind the public that even though temperatures will be warming up, the water temperatures will be very cold still. For the weekend into next week, we will transition into a more unsettled weather pattern. Temperatures will be cooling back towards normal at this time, even though we will be seeing some slight rises to the rivers, and we will be seeing some rainfall with the system coming in this weekend. It does look like to be fairly quick, and it does not look like it's going to be overly wet, so I don't expect to be big problems with the rises to rivers, and flooding, at least at this time, is not expected. For next week, we will continue to see the possibility for unsettled weather. In summary, through the work week, we'll be dry, relatively quiet, and again, more unsettled for the weekend into next week. Any feedback is greatly appreciated, and you can send that to this email listed here. And please visit our Facebook and Twitter accounts. Thank you very much. That includes the recorded portion of the briefing for this week.